Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram feels lag. If you are facing that lag issue, then this is the video for you. In this video, I will show you how to fix. In this video, I will show you easy and simple step to fix the problem. The first step is check internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. Turn Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then turn it on or use the system mobile data. If that is not working, turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems and this helps remove small bugs and glitches. So the second step is restart your phone. The another step is app update. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app. Then click on search and search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. So the another step is clearing app cache. Clearing app cache can fix many loading and crashing issues. So first you need to go to your phone setting, then go to apps or app management, tap on app list or apps, then search for the loading app, then go to your storage and cache, click clear cache. Clearing cache can fix file causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app and uninstall the app or install the game again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh restart to the app. If none of this helps, then you can contact to customer service of the app. For the contact service the app, you need to open the app again, then go to your profile, then click on three dot option, then click on help. After doing that, you may see many options here and explain your issues. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.